This is a stunning shipping container home based on the Deluxe 20 model by Relevant Buildings. The home was crafted using two 20-foot high cube shipping containers. The containers are placed parallel to each other with a center portion constructed with stick built connecting the two containers. This center portion is equipped with an amazing loft that provides additional space. Upon entering the house, you are greeted by a welcoming entryway that includes a sitting bench and storage. This entrance leads to an open-plan living area that boasts a delightful mix of metal and wood, creating harmonious fusion of industrial chic and natural warmth. In one corner of the living room, a cozy sectional couch with colorful throw pillows, an electric fireplace, a smart TV, and large windows that illuminate the space will be waiting for you. From the living room, you can access a small dining area that can comfortably sit four, overlooking the outdoors. Past the dining area, it is a thoughtfully designed kitchen equipped with apartment-sized modern appliances that enhance function and usability. The kitchen also features lots of storage space, counter space, a beautiful backsplash in stylish textured tile, and a glass door that leads to the backyard. The main floor also includes a bedroom with a comfortable queen-sized bed with warm beddings. The bathroom features a large walk-in shower, a toilet, and a vanity. A ladder in the living room leads to the loft, which is big enough for an additional bedroom space, creating a peaceful escape with distant ocean views. The interior of the house is painted in light colors to create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows. This design eliminates any claustrophobic feel that is usually associated with shipping container spaces. The exterior design incorporates wood elements that add a rustic charm to this industrial metal, creating a contemporary rustic style. The patio is a perfect spot to soak up some of the sun and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The raw shipping container walls and grooves are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial charm of the design. The house is protected by an additional elevated roof above the shipping containers to shield it from harsh weather elements. This amazing house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. And feel free to subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.